Mothers who give birth to drug-addicted babies the option of getting treatment or going to jail will expire after failing to reach the House floor for a vote on Tuesday. Allie Hines found out dozens of women in our region sought treatment because of this law in just the last 2 years.
Sarah, out of the 40 women charged in our area, only 2 chose not to seek treatment. I talked with Families Free, an organization that treats moms struggling with addiction. They say they worry without a law, these women won't seek treatment on their own. And the district attorney for Sullivan County says his office will no longer have the power to provide a consequence, even for women who were charged when the law was in effect.
They would not have sought treatment had it not been for this law.
Treatment once addicted moms now say has changed their lives.
They are able to be the mother that I think they never thought they could be.
We read through letters women getting treatment at Families Free wrote, telling their stories of addiction, facing charges, and getting treatment. One said, "I completed a 28-day program that saved my life and has allowed me to stay in my kids' lives." Another said, "Today I'm 15 months clean with all 3 of my babies." One woman was charged after giving birth to her second drug-dependent baby and sought treatment.
Then became pregnant again and delivered her 3rd child completely abstinent. And it was just a totally different experience for her. And the mother that she is able to be today is because of the treatment that she received because of the law.
Starting in July, if a woman takes illegal drugs while she is pregnant and causes harm to her baby, there will be no legal consequence.
What's going to take its place? Are we going to say it's really okay? You know, the babies can't talk. They're not going to tell anybody what it's like to withdraw. They're not going to tell anybody what it's like to spend your first few hours of life in that kind of pain.
District Attorney General Barry Staubis says once the law expires, even women previously charged under this law can choose to drop out of the treatment program.
It means the end of it, and I don't think that if someone falls out of the program that I don't think we're going to be in a position to do anything legally toward them.
Judy Clark with Families Free says she thinks the women already in their treatment program will stay with it.
My fear is for the ones to come. What's gonna move them towards treatment?
I also reached out to the 3 representatives who voted to kill this bill in the subcommittee yesterday. Representative Mike Stewart of Nashville returned my call saying he voted no because the medical testimony from doctors he heard said the bill was more likely to keep women out of treatment. Sarah?
Allie, thanks. Now, District Attorney General Barry Staubis advocated for this law from the beginning. He says at this point he does not know if he will consult with lawmakers to draft a similar bill next year.